Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I will show you how you can lab 1 of MATLAB. We're gonna go through this entire lab, and hopefully at the end you will become better and well equipped to understand MATLAB. But before we begin, quickly I just want to show you something. If you go to the link in the description, best place to hire MATLAB freelancers, you click this link and you will come over here. You can hire any of these freelancers. They're amazing. Just wanted to say that. Let's get on with the video. So with the lab 1, we'll start off pretty much from here. I'll tell you, this is the workspace. Okay, this is where the variables come up. This is the command window. You can type anything you want. You could put CLC, which basically means to clear. You can put clear like this as well. Okay, that's one of the things. And yeah, so in the script you can use either run, which will run the entire thing, or you can use run section. Use run section. When you use run section, the default, if you don't declare a variable, will be a and s. Okay, it'll be, if you did d equals this, then it will be d equals 10, and in the workspace the variable would come up. It's all one by one because MATLAB is basically it's a matrix laboratory. Okay, so remember, default is a and s, and yeah, that's basically pretty much it. Okay, and one more thing is, to disable printing, all you need to do is press this. Okay, this puts semicolon, then nothing will happen. But if you remove the semicolon, it'll give you an answer. So if you don't want to display it, just put a semicolon, and then bam, it's gone. You get me? Okay, clear. So you can put clear and you clear the command window. Clear, if you put clear, it clears the workspace. Workspace cleared. Simple as that. And then you can assign variables just like this. Remember, it's straightforward, it's nothing's hard. And yeah, again, you could do something like this too. Z, you could do f equals 6, and then if you use a comma, and then it could work. Oh, sorry, 1 second, not here, that was a mistake. What's going on? Okay, I don't know what's going on there, but let's make this work. Anyway, I'll show it to you again later. But z equals 5 times x, this is simple, nothing. And this is the order of the operations: first, second, third, fourth. All condition subtractions are valid starting from left to right. So it's parentheses first, then exponentials, then multiplications, and then addition. That's the order. So if we run this, you get all of these variables, all of these things. And if you want to clear, again, you can just put clear, it'll go away. CLC command line, command window gets cleared. So yeah, that's a good way. You can put clear vars. So let's do that again. If you have all of these workspace, all of these variables in workspace, if you want to remove a particular one, you could use clear and then a and s. We want to remove a and s. See, it's gone. If you put clear, if you want to remove multiple one, you could do this and then do this. See, they're all gone. If you just put clear, then they'll all be gone, like that. Once again, you can just use this command as well. Clear vars except b. It's just the same thing. And then, comment, straightforward. We can do that. And then this is matrix. So basically, if you do this, this is a row vector, and this is a column vector. Okay, a column vector, and this you can transpose. You can transpose, meaning that you can switch the array from uh, from column vector to row vector, or row vector to column vector. So you can do that. So if you do this, let's say a3 equals a3 comma, so we're gonna reverse it, and then bam, it's reversed. You want to reverse it again, and bam, you can do transpose. Do transpose a2. Okay, fantastic. So it became a column vector. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You could use line space to create the vector, and if you multiply by 3, all of these values will be multiplied by 3. 1 times 3, 3, 6, 9, multiples of 3 basically. If you want to index 2 and then a colon and then 6, meaning 1, 2, remember it starts with 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 18. There you go, done. Then 2, basically 2, and then end minus 1, so 18 is the end. We just do minus 1, so we go 15. So 9, 12, 15, because remember this is 2. Taking q, this is q, so 2, 3, 4, end minus 1. Boom, there we go. Once again, you can declare row vector like this, and you can concatenate two arrays. Okay, you can concatenate two arrays, and if you want to index particularly, you can do e1 and then get 10, e5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one becomes 10, then end the 10th length. You can get this. This is how you create a 3 by 3. Num_l is the amount of elements within the matrix. So here num_lc will be 9 because there's 9 elements, and then size would be 3 by 3. It's a 3 by 3 matrix. If you want to find the determinant, you can use det. Okay, and you find the determinant. Here's a video if you want to learn. And then over here, this is how you create a row vector. You can basically convert the row vector to a column vector using this notation, just a colon. But remember, you can't convert it from a column vector to a row vector. This only works one way, which is a disadvantage. So you could use the inbuilt function called transpose instead of using this colon. Okay, wonderful. This applies, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then this, you can access a particular index. This is basically indexing, and you're just trying to get the value at a particular point. So you can change the value like this, change it like this. You can create matrices like this. 3 is basically the third row and all the columns. So third row and all the columns. So 7, 7, 3, 7, 7, 7, 3, 7. All the rows and the fourth column. All the rows and the fourth column. So basically the fourth column is here, but all the rows. He's done all the rows, yeah, so this makes sense. Then basically all of these will become 0, and they all became 0. Simple as that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna stop the video now, and next class we're gonna go through all of these. Thank you. Make sure to get the Fiverr stuff. Hire freelancers, link in description.